Alright guys, welcome to another video. I have to make this video specifically for people that have been asking me, hey, is it possible for me to use my smartphone? Is it possible for me to use my phone for publishing? The question has been so much on my YouTube channel, so I thought it wise to make a video specifically for those people, to bring to their notice that yes, it is 100% possible to use your phone for KDP publishing. All right, so it was just recently cracked. It was just recently cracked on how to use your phone for KDP publishing. It is very, very possible. Like what I mean, 100% possible. Like from the beginning till the end, making passive income, everything concerning KDP, you can now use your phone. All right, so even if you don't have a laptop, you don't have access to a desktop whatsoever, but you have an Android phone, then you'll be guaranteed that you can use your phone for Kindle publishing. All you need to do, all that is required for you is at least make sure your phone is up to a 1 gig RAM. All right, make sure your phone is up to 1 gig RAM, and your inbuilt should be up to 16 gig. Okay, so if your phone is up to 1 gig RAM and your inbuilt is up to 16 gig, then you are qualified to use your phone for Kindle publishing. All right, so if you're interested in getting a course or a guide that will help you at using your smartphone, I will recommend one, which is what I'm actually making use of at the moment. It goes for 40,000 naira, that is $80. I will drop the link in the description of this video. So if you're interested in getting the course, you can just go to the description video through the link and then you get the course. All right, now when you get the course, I have a bonus for you. All right, I will do your 3 first designs for your book. All right, for any book you want to publish, for your first 3 books, I will design the book cover for you, perfect and standard book cover. Okay, so that is what I'll do for you. And then if it is up to 23 pages, if the book you are writing is up to 23 pages, and then I'll do the paperback for you as well for that book. Okay, so you don't need to bother about designs for your first 3 books. I'll take care of that for you. All right, and then the course you'll be getting, it has over 41 videos of 15 minutes each. Okay, so by the time you get the course, you go through it, I assure you your success is guaranteed. All right, your success is guaranteed. If after taking the course for the first 90 days and you don't make a dime, you get your money back. This is the guarantee I always give to my students. Okay, if after 90 days of taking the course and you don't make a dime from KDP, please ask for your money back and I will refund you without question. Because certainly you get access to my DM, you get access to my mentorship, so getting back your money won't be an issue if you don't make any money from KDP. All right, so if you're interested in getting the course, go to the description below, hit the link, and once you make payments, you get access instantly to the course, and then you join our community where you meet over 1,300 persons already registered in the group. Okay, so you'll be meeting with 1,300 persons on the group, and you can learn from them as well. Okay, there are so many things to learn from: trademarks, what you must avoid. There are certain mails that as a beginner, if Amazon sends to you, you get confused. So but when you get the course, you actually get to know how to resolve those problems, those mails, how to read mails, Amazon mails, and then tell what the problem is about. All right, so that is that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.